Hello, sometimes WhatsApp might block your WhatsApp account when you're automating it. I'm gonna share some few common reasons and how you can fix it. The first common reason is really when your website does not exist. So sometimes people put a website when signing up and connecting our system with Meta and the website is not published. So if your website is not a valid website that explains what your business does and does not have your business information probably like on the bottom of the website, then WhatsApp is automatically going to block your business because you don't have a website where they can check you are actually a business. So that's one of the most common reasons. Another reason why you might get blocked is if you try many times to connect the number. If you try many times and it doesn't work, you might get blocked. And another thing is if you're bulk messaging people, if you're sending mass messages, Facebook might say that you're sending spam. To avoid this, we have a smart broadcasting feature where if you send a broadcast message, you can choose to send the messages in small batches so that your number doesn't get blocked. You can see this in the broadcasting section. Now let me show you how you can solve some of these broadcasting issues. I recommend you hop on a call with me. I'm always happy to help you, and I can write the message for you so that Meta reviews your account and accepts you. So always it's better to contact me. I'm always happy to help you. But if you'll see if your account status is disabled, sometimes Meta just disables it for 12 hours. Sometimes you're disabled for a longer time. What you can do is when you go here, so basically you click on WhatsApp Manager, you'll arrive here, and then you can click View Details in Business Support Home. So I've already appealed this one. This was a lost case, but most of the time we can win them back, especially with new accounts. What you can do is you will see here a button that says Appeal. When you press there, you should write that, sorry, my website wasn't live, I was still testing, or anything, but make sure your website is live when you do that. Or depending on the case, we would analyze it, and I'm happy to help you there together. But these are the common reasons. Not having an active website, trying way too many times to connect different numbers, or it could be other cases in which it's better to take a look, and we're happy to help you, okay? If you have any questions, let us know, and thank you.